Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us. This time of year is very special in many parts of the world, including here in India.
That's so true. The air gets a little cooler, and there's a feeling of excitement. That's because it's a season of festivals. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about festivals and celebrations in English. We'll learn some general words you can use for any festival, and then we'll focus on a very beautiful and important one that happens in October, Diwali, the Festival of Lights. This is a longer lesson, packed with useful vocabulary to help you share your culture with the world.
Part 1. General vocabulary for any festival.
Let's start with some words you can use to describe any special celebration, anywhere in the world. The main word, of course, is festival.
And the action word is celebrate. For example, you can say, my family and I celebrate many festivals together.
During a festival, we often decorate our homes. The things we use are called decorations. You can say, we put up beautiful decorations for the festival.
And my favorite part of any festival is the food. Every celebration has special food. We call this traditional food or special dishes.
Yes, and of course, the most important part of any festival is spending time with family and friends.
And being able to share your own culture and learn about others is one of the most beautiful parts of speaking a new language. It helps us connect with people from all over the world. If you want to continue learning how to share your life and culture in English, make sure you subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you join our global family of learners, and you'll never miss a lesson that helps you build your confidence.
Part 2. Talking about a specific festival. Okay, now let's use that vocabulary to talk about a specific festival. Tom, since it's October, can you tell us about Diwali?
I would love to. Diwali is one of the biggest and brightest festivals in India. It is called the Festival of Lights.
The Festival of Lights. That sounds so beautiful. Why is it called that?
Because light is the most important part of the celebration. People decorate their homes with lots of lights. We light special clay lamps called diyas, and we put up strings of colorful electric lights. The whole city becomes bright and beautiful.
That must be amazing to see. What else do people do to celebrate?
Well, before the festival, people clean their homes. Then they put up the decorations. People also wear new clothes and they visit their family and friends.
That sounds wonderful. Is there an exchange of gifts like at Christmas?
Yes, exchanging gifts and sweets is a very big part of Diwali. It's a time for happiness, sharing, and celebrating the victory of light over darkness.
Part 4. How to give good wishes. For every festival, there is a special greeting. For example, for Christmas, we say Merry Christmas. For a new year, we say Happy New Year.
Exactly. The greeting for Diwali is very simple and happy. You just say, Happy Diwali.
That's easy to remember. Happy Diwali. Is there a more general phrase we can use for any festival?
Yes, if you want to wish someone well for any celebration, you can say, wishing you all the best for the festival. It's very warm and polite. Part 4. Let's role play.
Okay, let's imagine I'm asking you about your Diwali plans. Hi, Tom. I'm so excited. I can feel the festival season starting. How do you and your family celebrate Diwali?
Oh, it's the best time of the year for us. A few days before, we clean our whole house and put up lots of decorations. My mother makes beautiful rangoli patterns on the floor.
That sounds amazing. What do you do on the main day of the festival?
On Diwali Day, we wear our new clothes. We visit our relatives and exchange gifts and sweets. In the evening, we light dozens of diyas and lights all around our house. It looks magical.
It sounds truly magical. It's all about family, food, and light.
Exactly. And at the end of the day, we wish everyone a very happy Diwali.
Well, thank you for sharing that. It sounds like a wonderful celebration.
Part 5, Final Lesson Review. That was a lot of great information. Let's do a quick review of the vocabulary we learned.
First, the general words for any celebration: festival, celebrate, decorations, traditional food, family and friends.
and the special vocabulary for Diwali. The Festival of Lights, lights and diyas, new clothes, gifts.
And the most important greeting. Happy Diwali.
You are now ready to talk about festivals and share your own traditions with anyone in English.
Thank you for joining us for this special lesson on confidence in English. We love being able to share these cultural moments with you.
Remember, sharing your story is a powerful way to practice.
We'll see you there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye, everyone.
Happy Diwali in advance. Goodbye.